Sanibonani sinibingelele kwi-podcast noBen Ceggs abafethu kuqopheke umlando izolo kudlala iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates ngomhla 28 kuFebruary ngokuthi kube u3-0 iscore. Asiyazi ke Soweto derby esikuyaba u3-0. Hlezi kushiwo kuthiwa iSoweto derby is unpredictable but emva kwalesi score kushuthi igame elandelayo sophinde sipredict futhi. Was it a wake up call for iKaizer Chiefs since abalandeli babo bebe convinced ukuthi bane team right but abanye abantu belokhe besho ukuthi no man iKaizer Chiefs idinga more quality players? Was it a wake up call or not? Lana ke ngihamba noSenzo Nzama ozokathi ukuhlaziyela naye asichazele ukuthi uyibone kanjani igame yezolo. Senzo sibingelele sikwamukele ehlelweni.
Ngibuyela uMencezanga nababukile emakhaya.
Yebo siyabonga bhuti uthi sivashele wena siyazi ukuthi hayi ebholeni ucoach uyathinta lapha uhlukele ukhona. Yeah, mawubuka igame yezolo was it a wake up call enkulu from iKaizer Chiefs kubantu abascout ama players or it was just a normal game ukuthi nje baluzile nje egroundini?
No, I think it was a normal game. I do believe ukuthi they do have players. Kumina they do have players but what they don't have or coach. Ukuba no coach abahlakaniphile ebenchini kubalekile kakhulu eteamini. For example, we were told ukuthi Umbatha is injured. But all coach by Pirates, they knew what they are going into a game where you need players with big match temperament, and Umbatha is one of those players. So you ask yourself, where was Undlovu? If Undlovu is not fit, but he can probably give you 50 to 60 minutes as Umbatha Nzil. I think Umbatha gave 61 minutes or 60 something minutes. Then he was substituted. So you've got to play abantu abanjengo Ndlovu. You cannot play Umaboy who expect to which was a winning game with Umaboy no Chislets that we are not sure whether he's a number 10 or he's a winger, because Izolo I saw him playing more as a winger. As a result, there was a confusion between Yena left back Obogulo Mfana McCarthy no Pulemundi who was supposed to play as a winger. So now we have uMcCarthy, you have Chislet, you have Ulokuzana, Umundi in a very small space. So inside level totally congested ungaboni ukuthi who's doing what. So for me, line up egemini kanje is very important. For me, I think they should have started the game with Umabowe noNdlovu. Mhlambe naye ke uGustin Sereno because of lento yeBMT again, because in big games you need players that can produce, that can give you special things if it's a derby or you are playing against Sundowns.
So you are saying they missed a black ball?
Kumina, yes, they missed Ulumfana Wakandlovu. Umabowe, you expect him to play Undlovu amagi ball. So Izolo, it was more of Umabowe recover mabola, awanikeza Undlovu lose amabola. We must admit ukuthi iderby enye into. For example,
Yes. He was playing as number 10 and I was saying that before a game ukuthi it's wrong for a coach ukuthi afuna ukuba compromise ngokubafaka boba uThube noMaswangayi because position 10 ugcina usucompromiseka. And again yesterday ukwenzile justice ukuthi amfake as number 10 and he played very well uRel.
Yes, but mangabe uzobheka uRel simbone kakhulu ngeFirst half. The second half he kind of like disappeared.
Yes.
Enye into engajisiza kakhulu iPirates ngenkathi igame ivuna bona bephezulu they scored goals.
Yeah.
Because to be quite honest, in the second half it wasn't like an entertaining game. Yeah. The first 30 minutes that Pirates gave us was exceptional, but after that they kind of like amanye players that disappear. But again into esebenzile into abahlulo kuyenza kwiSundowns ukuthi you get those chances, you convert them. iChiefs moyibheka they did not have any plan after bakhonza amagoal awu2 ukuthi bazobuya kanjani egamini after they were 2 goals down. And nalapho kusekhona uEvidence Makgopa who enjoys to score against iLokhuzana iChiefs. He was introduced a very easy goal, wakori goal. Nakhona if you don't have uLokhuzana uNtshebeza ugoalkeeper, you must have a backup goalkeeper osezingeni. Kumina amagoli angenele uLokhuzana uBruce Vumizolo very questionable.
Very questionable.
Very questionable for ugoalkeeper osene experience osehlale ngake club nenkulu, because the fact that uhleli kwiChiefs probably they see something that we don't see, but for me there is absolutely nothing.
It could have been worse if we're looking at the chances that Orlando Pirates. We're looking at the chance where Umbatha scored, but unfortunately it was an offside. And then there was this another chance where Usibisi Bhodlela. Bhodlela boy, decide afethu. Awukwazi ukuthi ungafike uphume ubiza ibhola uphakamise isandla, balishaya ibhola. Mase belishaya ibhola kuwena usufocus egoalkeeper ukuthi lizo deflect ibhola. Awusafocusele kuma intentions akho. Goalkeeper kalithintanga ibhola uSibisi was undecisively washaya ibhola ngo left nango right aphuma ngaphandle afethu. Ubezoligeza igama lakhe. Igame anegame akheze ukukhulunywa ngayo question performance yakhe. Udlalele izolo but kuba ugolela la goal I believe ukuthi bezoligeza igama lakhe.
No, but we've got to give him credit. I think he played very well.
Yes,
I was very scared. Ngoba mobheka kade khona uMbokazi.
Imisibelebele.
Yes. Kade khona uMbokazi edlala no Sibisi. And uma ubuka igame you could tell ukuthi a leader la uMbokazi who's younger than uSibisi. Njengamanje uSibisi udlala no CM. You can tell again ukuthi I leader la uCM. But that shouldn't be the case because he experienced kalokhuzana kaSibisi mfowethu. Yabo kumele kube yena ocommander o leader. But izolo ngimbonile ukuthi he wanted to play that game. So he played very well.
Is it a height emshayayo or a timing nje as a defender?
I think the timing as a defender because kulesikhathi samanje as a defender you must be able ukuthi uma ngabe goalkeeper edlala ibhola you must be able to play because ama defender are very important when we beat from the back. Yeah. So ama defender lawa kudala uSibisi he gives you that vibe of being the old school defender. But izolo uyiqoqile lento ngisho ukuthi iDabi sometimes we don't take those performances ukuthi mhlawumbe if udlale kahle kwiDabi because khona abadlali bazodlala kahle kwiDabi then they disappear. Mangabe like for instance uNgcobo in as much as izolo dlala into engekho but kwamanye amadabu wefika nyamalala abuye ngedabu adlala but izolo udlala into engekho because I think uflat so ulokhuzana uSibisi mhlambe ngenze ethi uyibig ulokhuzana uyidabi player because kwamanye ama games uyakuquestiona even leadership yakhe but izolo no one can question ama leadership qualities ka Sibisi egamini yazolo.
Coming back to a chance etholwe iKaizer Chiefs, I think it was Da Silva where ubeshayiwe boxing. Do you think that was a penalty?
Penalty all day long. And strange enough, if you watched referee action yakhe, there was a time la khona referee sandla sakhe besikhombe as if even fans celebrated because yes they thought ukuthi referee uthi penalty. Then washintsha uref because I think uref was not convinced. He looked at ulineman. Then wabona ulineman ayikho into ayishoyo ukuthi there was a foul abantu. Now uref wabona it will be very difficult for him athi ifoul mangabe buka referee. I mean ulineman cha ukuthi ayikho into ayibona.
So he wanted to put a penalty.
That was a penalty all day long.
Ngibukile nami ngitshela ukuthi uthathe dive mina.
Yeah. I think enye into kumele uyenze uma udlala nePirates uyazi usebelebele benolokhuzana benohoto bazobamba ibhola bashone phambili. Mangabe ubonile iChiefs sishintshe uMondi yafaka ulomfana lo uAsanele Velebhayi wamphoqa usibelebele ukuthi now you have to defend. Yes. And the second half he played as a defender. First half he played as a wing back because ubebamba ibhola anyuke nebhola. But then awukwazi ukuhamba nebhola mabe kunomuntu njengoAsanele Velebhayi emva ngoba imidfielder the moment unibhola ifaka la usuka khona kunoAsanele Velebhayi uzofika urasha ke nomshaya kube foul mangabe kuse boxing kube penalty uthole ibooking enasting. Westpart bevele senayo lokhuzana ibooking usebelebele. He was exceptional izolo.
Let me ask you a question. The position ka number 2 Orlando Pirates, it looks like now umuntu oyilwelayo Van usibelebele une upper hand uphinda kwazi ukuthi ayoba iwinger at the same time ubuya kuyona uyena bese kuba ulentwana elimala njalo Lebitso yo boy hayi yabona futhi Lebitso mina ayungeza ubebebe mfethu because into engiyithandayo mina from i-defender lizazi ukuthi li-defender libuyayo njalo lizodlala emuva as much as overlapper but uyazazi ukuthi uyi-defend and akangikwabona ama mistake amaningi awenzayo umjita uVan Ryn into engeke ngibuke kuyena uya overlapper but overlapping kwakhe angaze ngize ngimbone siza kakhulu kangako ekudominating kuma goals aKorlando Pirates except for that goal la Kora against uMamelodi Sundowns lele kwathi avoid Makaula lela khona uMahopa eliphasela umfukeng wathepa in la but angijwayele ukumbona overlaphile uVan Ryn. Awukhuluma ngale position uOrlando Pirates ukuthi kulabantu bo3 ubani obukayo ukuthi ngathi uzoyithatha.
I do believe they need a fullback. A right back because usibelebele in as much as he played very well yesterday but you are fan no Van Ryn. The primary duty ye defender is to defend. Lokho kuya phambili and everything ube effective mangabe i-team attacker ku plus lokho. You can be as good as you can mangabe uya phambili but if defensively you are not good, you are not a good defender. And I do believe ukuthi Sebelebele he's good going forward. Van Ryn is good going forward but against ama winger ahlakaniphile They cannot. So for me, I think Pirates, there is umathuluthi kulokhuzana kwipolokwane seat. That is a complete defender.
Yes.
A complete defender.
Yes.
Someone ozoshaya ibalo zakho wazi ukuthi attack nini ngihlala nini. Oh laba they get excited ngenkathi game iphakama they get too excited. Later thing issues olungithi iChiefs uMondi akanga drop abuye nolokhuzana noSibelebele. Stay wide, hug the line. Mabe wina ibhola bafake kuwena because Sibelebele vele uhambile. So kwamanye ama game leyanto iPirates sazoyiqeda ukuthi ama full backup way two because no Hotho na unjalo. That is why mina I do believe ukuthi uNdaba kumele adlale ahead of Hotho because uNdaba is a good defender defensively, offensively. Yes, he missed that penalty, but that does not mean he's a bad player. For me, he's one of the best left backs that we have in the league, but he's not given that opportunity to showcase his talent.
Pace futhi yonke into.
Una everything we think from full back.
But looking at the game isiyonke overall. iKaizer Chiefs fethu indlela ebiyisabe ngayo Orlando Pirates was playing a half ground. Imagine. It's the first time kuSoweto Derby sibuka iKaizer Chiefs idlala half ground. Mina overall fethu ngisasho namanje ukuthi mabebuyela kwi drawing board it is possible ukuthi bay question indaba yequality lama players up.
For me, ulumfana lo uEitan McCarthy is one of the best left-footed centre backs akhona kwi league. Centre back. Yeah. Not a wing back. Yeah. Because indlela odlala ngayo as a centre back nendlela odlala ngayo as a wing back ayifani.
Yeah.
Ayifani. Ama centre back they hate to run. La we full back uyarana kushona le uyarana kubuya and it doesn't have that engine kuyena ulomfana kaMakhathi and uyam expose because ngike ngambona bemthena in and out ngenhlanhla ukwazi ukublocker la ball.
Yeah, ngilibonile.
But
ube ne mistake ibhola leza kuyena lamhlula ibhola ngenhlanhla wakwazi ukuthi alicover. That was a silly mistake from him.
He is not a full back. He is not. He is a central left-footed player. As a centre back. For me, he must play as a left-sided centre back. With full back, there is Paseka Marco with his experience, and it's a derby, and he will be playing against his former team. Why are you denying him that opportunity? Look at Ulomfana Umonyane. And as much as the team did not play well, but Umonyane was solid because he was playing against his former team.
He raised his head.
In fact, there was a time honestly. So give Umarco that. Umarco will give you that energy. Move and again he made mistakes against Stellenbosch. He was terrible, but I mean this is it up. Give Ulokhuzana uMarco a chance. Nakhona laphan uMiguel, do not play Miguel. He is coming from injury and that game idinga umuntu on a pace and la phezulu ocabanga uMiguel akacabanga uMiguel. In as much as sometimes kubantu abadlala ama-air balls you need that kind of defender. I mean he gives away those fouls every day edlala ungquzula abantu. Dlala uEitan McCarthy, dlalisa ulomfana lo uzitha kwenika as ama centre back. Udlalisa uMonyane, put Dlovu, put ulomfana lo uMabowe, ufake uSerino phambi kwabo. Udlalisa uAsane Velebhayi. When is Asane Velebhayi is going to start games? Why you keep on playing uLilepo even engadlali? I think there's uLilepo
izola kenzanga focus.
Why Serino was not introduced to thathu uLokhuzana uLilepo ngesecond half?
Commentator ize yathi uLilepo kanti ukhona egroundini. I was shocked ukumbona nami. 20 minutes later zesa Pixana sibuka igame ukuthi uLilepo akadlali. Athi umunye ukhona. Sisadlala. Wazi wathi ubala omile lapho. Wathi hawu yena. Mase ngibuka hawu ngempela uLilepo uyadlala egroundini. But it was the first game uLilepo la khona singamboni khona.
I don't think it was a first game, but
uyayicindezela ngokuya kakhulu kunayini.
Into enye uyathenga dlala kahle but akore enze something e benefits team akore yabo. So kuye bengathi udlale kahle noma engadlala kahle bekorile yabo. And omnye umfana that is crying out for i-service uSilva. Mina ngiyohlala ngixolisa kuSilva. I thought akholutho lapha. Oh, he's a player.
And we were making fun of him. Ngiyakhumbula ne Orlando Pirates yasha ama cartoons ngaye ngebhayisekeli isquare.
Oh, he's a player.
And right now uKaizer Chiefs yena umuntu opoison nesikholela kuyena ukuthi uyena umuntu osheve ngempela. And he raised his hand yesterday. Unfortunately, igame was not on their side, but uzamile kakhulu.
He was frustrated because now Monese drop a deep azofuna ibhola umbone hamba ashona wide ayofuna ibhola, and that is not his strength. He must be in and around the box for him to be effective. And uhlakaniphile uyawathatha ama runs but amabhola awafiki yabo. Kwabona khona kufanele begoqwa kufaka ibhola spacing. Let him run to ama channels. So number 10 onjalo akekho. If uChisless edlala eside ubani ozothatha ibhola from abo Maboy no Ngcobo initiate play abheke ama winger ngama pass abheke uLokhuzana uDa Silva ngama pass. That guy he needs proper service. Take uDa Silva kanjalo umfake kuleya team ePirates. Take uDa Silva kanje umfake kuleya team eSundowns where there is the creativity in abundance. You will see his qualities. He's a top striker.
True. Hayi ngicathi kuningi esikhulumile kwishoya namhlanje ngegame overall ye Kaizer Chiefs, and I know ukuthi abalandeli be Kaizer Chiefs they are so frustrated with the game. It's the first time Soweto derby end up like this, and mina ngokwami I believe ukuthi iyona anti Kaizer Chiefs ebidinga, because iperformance Kaizer Chiefs bi questionwa kakhulu, abantu bebe in denial, but emva kwegame ayizolo I believe ukuthi bazobuyela ngempela kwe drawing board babheke ukuthi bashaye kapi, because ba inconsistent kakhulu.
Ngiyabasiza nje mina makuthiwa nguKaizer Mtaung Junior ungabe namhlanje amasulkeso coach aphekwe yimina ukuthi thank you very much guys. That squad is crying out for a local coach that understands those players. For me, if squad Chiefs usibeka la uwabuka lama players individually, those are great players.
Yeah.
Those are great players. Give abo Batman opportunity. Give abo Asane Vlepa opportunity. Give abo Gaston Sorini opportunity. So this thing, you cannot be a coach or say more than 15 games agana team yakhe qalama games. You are not a good coach.
Let me ask you a question about Sesivala nje show about uTito Maswangayi. uTito ihlwele isibuye senze ngathi uthazemfuni. Ngathi umdlalo ongafunwa kakhulu. Izolo ngibone iPirates esilida ngo2-0 training sekuthiwa kufaka uTito egroundini ihlwele. Bese bamba ibhola uTito eshama time esihlwele ziyajabula. Angi-understand mina into edingwa abantu kuTito ukuthi eyiphi kahle ukuthi abamfuni noma bayamfuni kwenzakalani mfethu.
I think uTito right mangabe usuyiwina igame udinga umuntu ozohlala ebholeni na detect tempo ye game, because enye indlela esisebenzayo ukudefend ukuthi sibe baningi ebholeni ukuze ama opponent atbheke ibhola liphethwe thina seliphasa ibhola, enye indlela ukudefenda leyo. But mangabe ziqala ebeke udinga ukusebenza faka uRele number 10 and uRele ubathathisa ama notes uTito benolokhuzana benosipho Mbule ukuthi udlala kanjani as a number 10 off the ball. Ama runs awenzayo mangabe team ibhola liphethwe ama opponent uRele umbona even ekwi half yabo, but the moment ibhola lifika kuMoremi, the moment ibhola lifika kulokhuzana kuApolis ungaphandle kwebhokisi lama opponent ufuna ukora goal akore futhi sometimes ama goal amahle. So for me he's the best number 10 iPirates enayo. uTito blowing hot and cold, and that is why he's not line up consistently, because uyadlala disappear. Same thing noSipho Mbule. I said it long time ukuthi mina uSipho Mbule as a number 10 not a chance.
No, hayi kulungile, sibonge kakhulu babukele emakhaya, sibonga kakhulu kunzama Coca amashiza mfowethu, sazobuye sibe nawe futhi emagemini abakhona la ekhaya. Bafethu ke iPodcast yale ekhaya ayigxilile kakhulu ebholeni, igxile into eziningi ehlukahlukene, but ke ibhola ngoba siyalithanda phela, sizoloke siyicuphisa kancane ibhola libe khona njalo. Sibonga kakhulu bafethu ohlelweni.